So in this kitchen, we're gonna resurface the countertops. There's nothing wrong with them, they're just brown and ugly. So we're gonna resurface them and make them look like stone for a fraction of the cost of replacement.
Oh, wow. It does look so great. Oh my goodness. Wow, I love the flecking.
Yeah, it's kind of neat you didn't have to put, you know, real stone in.
No,
I know,
it saved us so much. Oh my goodness, and it goes with the floors perfectly.
Yes.
Yeah, look at
It
it.
looks so good.
So notice these seams are gone. So you don't have to worry about, you know, water splashing in here, getting into the seams, swelling it up, destroying it, having to replace it again.
Well, that's how you know you did a good job, because I didn't even notice the seams were gone.
Kidding, yeah.
I didn't even notice they were gone.
And nothing went in a landfill.
And you caulked it up. Nice, thank you for doing that. I love the fleck, it's the perfect amount, really.
We really enjoy saving people all this money
Yeah.
and
We
time.
saved thousands of dollars, yeah.